Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how you can fix your headphone jack problem in your device Xiaomi POCO M5s. So if your headphone jack isn't working in your device Xiaomi POCO M5s, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your headphone jack problem in your device.